2022 Summer in India program. This is part of the Science, Religion and Sustainability program to India. My name is Dr. Vijay Villava. I'm a professor in the Geology and Environmental Geosciences department, and my colleague Dr. Todd Levasseur, professor of Religious Studies, is also part of this program. I'm going to focus more on the Geology program. Dr. Todd Levasseur has his own video describing his program. The focus of the geology side of the program is to explore how water shaped the landscape and, of course, how it also impacted the cultures of India. For this, we use the Ganges River as an outdoor classroom. We explore and travel the river all the way from the high Himalaya down to the Bay of Bengal in the Sundarbans Delta forest. We will primarily focus in the geology side on the water and environmental sciences and focus on how water resources are used by the population that tends to be around these river systems, and how it impacts water quality and how it impacts the people that live in these regions. Along the way, we will also explore the geological history, geomorphology, tectonics, and sustainability of the water and environmental resources, and how it impacts or used by many different peoples in India. It is a travel-intensive course. We will travel quite a bit by automobiles, airplanes, and of course we will include a lot of hiking as a part of this course. Some of the sites require us to hike for multiple days to get to some of the glaciated terrains, and these are really doable, very enjoyable trips on hikes, and these are in fact some of the highlights of this course. We will hike, and of course there are plenty of opportunities to learn about some of the changes that happen to these landscapes. And we have been on these landscapes for 5 times with our students, and they do pick up on the incredible changes that are happening to these landscapes more than you would by being in a conventional classroom. So what we are learning in this course are going to be some of the best learning opportunities you will experience. We will also visit sites that are of religious significance, including the Ganges Gangotri Glacier, which happens to be a very holy part of the Hindu philosophy. We will spend a lot of time, nights in hotels and guest houses, but we will also camp a few nights up in the high Himalayas, and all the camping gear is provided part of the course. We will enjoy fresh meals everywhere, of course, including the mountains. We will also get to travel to some of the historical sites, including Taj Mahal, which happens to be right next to a major tributary to the Ganges River, the Yamuna River, which happens to be heavily populated and in this region and also heavily polluted as well. We will end our course near the Sundarbans mangrove forest, which happens to be the largest mangrove system in the world. Incredible biodiversity, incredible physical processes, geochemical processes that occur in this area. We will also navigate these landscapes here on the tidal creeks, massive tidal creeks, to reach some of the islands and learn about the communities, how they're coping with the incredible climate change related impact that is influencing these areas. We will travel a lot of these areas in the Sundarbans mangrove forest by boat and explore some of the incredible biodiversity, and hopefully we might be able to get a glimpse of the Bengal tigers, which are from this region. We will end our course near Kolkata, incredible city, and we will also try and gather as much as we can by visiting people and learning about their cultures when we visit some of these cities. We will travel light because of the incredible amount of travel we do on this course. We will travel very, very light. And also be prepared to hike. We will do a lot of walking, a lot of travel, so we will prepare you for that. Of course, the food in India is incredible, and a lot of cuisines are offered everywhere in India. So get your passport, and we will hope to have you join us on this course. This course on the geology side includes and counts towards the Geology BS and Environmental Geosciences BS majors for their field studies requirement, and also the Environmental and Sustainability Studies minor as well. We hope to see you, and click on the link below to learn a little bit more about the geology side of the program. And if you have any questions about the program, feel free to contact me at that email address above. 2020.